This is problem number 21. And what we have here is just three separate interest calculations, and then we're going to add the results together. So we have these three people that have borrowed $5,000 for 5 years at 12% annually, but that annual rate is compounded semi-annually. So 5 years, semi-annual compounds. That means 10 periods with a semi-annual interest rate of 6%. So starting with Seth, what Seth does is he just pays everything off at the end. So borrows 5,000, lets the interest build up for 10 years, and then he pays everything off. But we only want the interest, so we're going to subtract off the principal. And the result, 3,954 and 24 cents is the interest that Seth pays. Next up is Janice. And what Janice does is she only pays off the interest every 6 months, and then she pays off the principal at the very end of the loan. So if we want the interest that Janice pays, well, one of her interest payments will be the amount that she borrows times the interest rate, but she's going to make 10 of those payments before paying off the principal at the end. So we just multiply what she borrowed by the interest rate by 10, because she makes 10 payments. Okay, so that comes out to be 3,000. And lastly is Lori. And for Lori, we have to get a little bit creative. Lori, she does the right thing. She does the most cost-effective thing. She makes level payments, 10 level payments of the same amount, so that there's nothing left to pay off at the very end. And the way we're going to find those level payments is we're going to look at the loan prospectively. So the value, or what she borrows, is equal to her level payments times an annuity, the present value of an annuity of 10 payments at our 6% rate. So to get the value of an annuity, all you need is V. And if you have I, you've got V. So hopefully you can work this out to get 7.36 R. And why not? Let's go over here and look at it. That is 1 minus V to the 10 over 0.06. V is 1 over 1 plus I. So V .9434. So 1 minus 0.9434 to the 10 over 0.06 will give you this value here. And from here, we can solve for R quite readily. Divide both sides. Our level payments are 679 and 34. But she's going to make 10 of those payments. So the total amount that she pays off is this right here, just multiplying this value by 10. To get the interest, we subtract off the principal, leaving us with 1793.4. Add these three values together, and you will get 8748 or something quite close to that. So the correct answer here is